Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're in Pattaya, Thailand, and we're heading into the internet. What the hell is an instanet? The internet famous Paboon cafe. This bills itself as the most beautiful cafe in Thailand. So we'll see. But one thing's for certain, look at all the cars behind me. I think it's going to be busy. So you can get fish food and feed all the koi. And as you can see, there's lots of koi. Oh my god. Dinosaurs. This area is still actually getting built, look. So it's extending. so you can get tables out here on the water. I'm not sure there's a minimum spend or an upcharge or anything like that. I do not know, but I'll let you know if I find out. That's a colourful dog. Wow. So as you can see, there's quite an extensive menu here. Stir-fried dishes, salads, curries, just keeps going on and on and on. So yeah, there's something for everybody here. Even pizzas and pastas. And I ordered my food in Thai, and then the waiter thought I could speak fluent Thai and just kept talking in Thai. I was like, English please? Oops. So I've just ordered a cheesecake with this little chocolate square on the top. Yeah, I was bitten, as you can see, and there it's made of cardboard. And I tell you what, man, there really is loads of tables. It goes all the way around there as well. We haven't even walked around that way, but that's where we're going to go now. But yeah, you'll always find a table, I think. I will say though, I wouldn't sit on this side. I would go over there, the other side where we were, because you do get the sounds of the motorway. So I bought a bottle of fish food, they're 25 baht each, which is less than 50p. That one's getting a ride. Hiya, Eva. Well, there you go, folks. That is Paboon Cafe here in Pattaya, Thailand. Very worth a visit. It's free to have a look and walk around and see all the fish and the animals and things like that. To get the food, it's only 25 baht to feed the animals and the fish. And then obviously you've got the cafe, which obviously you've got to pay for. That's an upcharge. But there you go. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because none of you do. 99% of the people who's watching this video now, so that's definitely you, right there, you are not subscribed, so may as well do it. It's free. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.